Hi everyone, this is my another tutorial how to fix unsent message and not working problem on Instagram or unsent option not showing on Instagram. Since there are several reasons for this problem, so we need try several steps to fix this issue. In this video I will show you 2 steps to fix this issue. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Play Store and install Instagram Lite. After installing, log in your account. And then check problem solve or not. Hope your problem will be solved. If not solved, follow another step. Step 2. Uninstall your recent Instagram app. Open any browser and search by Instagram older version. Now enter the following website and download any older version. After downloading, install it. Now log in your account. And check problem solve or not. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.